नमस्कार, मैं डॉक्टर अनुजा चौहान, शासकीय डॉक्टर वामन वसुदेव पटनकर, कन्या स्नातकोत्तर महाविद्यालय दुर्ग। आज हम एमएससी सेकेंड सेम के एडवांस कॉम्प्लेक्स एनालिसिस सेकेंड के 5th यूनिट के कुछ लेमा और थ्योरम पर डिस्कस करेंगे।
The lemma is let f be analytic in D is equal to Z such that mod of Z is less than 1 and let f of 0 is equal to 0, f dash 0 is equal to 1 and mod of f of Z is less than or equal to m for all Z in D, then m is greater than or equal to 1 and f of D be an proper superset of B 0 1 upon 6 m. Here D is equal to B of 0 1 and B of 0 1 is defined open unit wall centered at origin. Its proof, let 0 is less than R is less than 1, f be an analytic in the domain D is equal to Z such that mod of Z is less than 1, f of 0 is equal to 0, f dash 0 is equal to 1 and f of Z, mod of f of Z is less than or equal to m for all Z belongs to D. Using Maclaurin series, f of Z is equal to f of 0 plus Z f dash 0 plus Z square by factorial to f double dash 0 up to Z to the power n upon factorial n fn 0. Here we substitute f0 and f dash 0, then become the equation f of z is equal to 0 plus z into 1 plus we can write summation n is equal to 2 to infinite fn 0 upon factorial n to z to the power n. Or f of z is equal to z plus summation n is equal to 2 to infinite a n z to the power n, where that value is equal to a n. By Cauchy estimate, mod of n less than or equal to f of fz, mod of fz upon z to the power n. Mod of z is equal to r, mod of fz is less than or equal to m, where substitute that value mod of an less than or equal to m upon r to the power n. N is equal to 1, then a1 is equal to 1 less than or equal to m upon r. M is greater than, taking r is equal to 1, then m is greater than or equal to r. If mod of z is equal to 1 upon 4m, then our equation first become mod of f of z is equal to mod of z plus summation of n is equal to 2 to infinite a n z to the power n. Or we can write it greater than or equal to mod of z minus summation n is equal to 2 to infinite mod of a n z to the power n. Substitute in here the value z and a n. So become our equation 1 upon 4m minus summation of n is equal to 2 to infinite 1 upon 4 to the power n m to the power n minus 1. Above equation we can open it, mod of f of z greater than or equal to 1 upon 4m minus 1 upon 16m plus 1 upon 64m square and so on, r greater than or equal to 1 upon 4m minus 1 upon 16m upon 1 minus 1 upon 4m. Become a series GP series. Greater than or equal to 1 upon 4m, we can solve it, minus 1 upon 16m, 4m upon 4m minus 1. Greater than or equal to 1 upon 4m minus 1 upon 12m. Greater than or equal to 1 upon 6m. It means mod of f of z greater than or equal to 6m to the power minus 1. Suppose mod of w less than 6m to the power minus 1, yeah, 6m is inverse, and let g of z is equal to f of z minus w. Now we will show that gz has a 0. In fact, for mod of z is equal to 6m to the power minus 1. We have f of z, mod of f of z minus g of z is equal to mod of w less than 6m to the power minus 1 less than or equal to f of z, or mod of g of z minus f of z less than mod of f of z. Hence by Rouché's theorem, f and f plus g minus f, that is g have the same number of zeros in open wall, that is b 0 1 by 6m. Since f of 0 is equal to 0, it follows that g of z0 is equal to 0 for some z0 belongs to b of 0 1 by 6m, where 1 by 6m be an radius. But g of z0 is equal to 0, so f of z0 is equal to w, and f of z0 is equal to w is less than 1 by 6m. Hence, we conclude that f of d be an proper superset of 0, 1 by 6m, where 0 be an origin or centered and 1 by 6m be an radius. Our next lemma is, let G be analytic in B of OR, R capital R be an radius, G of 0 is equal to 0, mod of G dash 0 is equal to mu greater than 0, and mod of G of Z is less than or equal to M for all Z, then G of B of OR is proper superset B of O R square mu square upon 6m, where R square mu square upon 6m be an radius. Here we see that diagram, we can easily solve it. Here be an centered O or 0, its radius R, so become B of OR. Here centered 0 and its radius R square mu square upon 6m, that become B of O R square mu square upon 6m, and G of B of OR. Let G be analytic, BOR, G0 is equal to 0, G dash 0 is equal to mu greater than 0, and mod of G of Z is less than or equal to M. Now, let f of Z is equal to R G inverse G dash 0, its whole inverse G R Z for mod Z is less than 1. Since G is analytic in B of OR, it follows that GZ is analytic in BOR is equal to Z such that mod of Z is less than R. So, GZ is analytic. So, we can write it Z by R is less than 1. RZ such that mod of Z is less than 1. G of RZ is analytic in Z such that mod of Z is less than 1. So, GRZ is analytic in D, where D is equal to Z such that mod of Z is less than 1. From equation 1, FZ is also analytic in D. G0 is equal to 0. So, f of 0 is equal to 0. And f of Z is equal to that value become, and f of f dash 0, f dash Z is equal to that step, and f dash 0 is equal to 1. Mod of f of Z is equal to mod of R G dash 0 का whole inverse G R Z, R less than or equal to R mod of G dash 0 whole inverse mod of G R Z less than or equal to that value upon G mod of G R Z upon R mod of G dash 0. Solve above equation. Mod of f of z is less than or equal to mod of G R Z upon R mu, because G dash 0 is equal to mu, Gz is less than or equal to m. Mod of fz less than or equal to m upon R mu, R less than or equal to m dash. In previous lemma, we have f of d is subset of proper superset B of 0 1 by 6m, 1 by 6m be an radius, and this is an centered, O be an centered or origin. Is proper superset B of, here we substitute the value 0 R mu upon 6m. So, B of 0 R square mu square upon 6m is become Z such that mod of Z is less than R square mu square upon 6m. Here we R mu into R mu, so we can write it Z such that mod of Z upon R mu less than R mu upon 6m. Or that here we transfer R mu Z such that Z mod Z is less than R mu upon 6m. or we can write it r mu z such that mod of z is less than r mu upon 6m. R mu upon 6m being radius. So become our equation is equal to r mu b of 0 r mu upon 6m or subset of r mu f of d. R f of d is equal to z such that mod of z is less than 1 is subset of r mu f of z such that mod of z is less than 1. Here we substitute mu is equal to, so r mod of g dash 0 f of z such that mod of z is less than 1. Again we substitute value, whole value r mod of g dash 0 f z is become g of r z by equation 1 such that mod of z is less than 1. Subset of g r z such that mod of z is less than 1 or g z such that z by r less than 1 or become subset g z such that z, here we transfer r less than r is become g bn g of b of o of r or b of g r square mu square upon gm where that value is radius being subset of g of b of or. Hence we can say that g of b of or be an proper superset of b of o of r square mu square upon 6m. Bloch's theorem. Let f be an analytic function in a region containing the closure of the disk D is equal to Z such that mod of Z is less than 1 and satisfying f of 0 is equal to 0, f dash 0 is equal to 1, then there is a disk S be a subset of D in which f is 1 1 and such that f of S contains a disk of radius 1 by 72. Let f be an analytic function in a region and D is equal to Z such that mod of Z is less than 1, f of 0 is equal to 0, f dash 0 is equal to 1. Here we set k of r is equal to max mod of f dash z such that mod of z is equal to r and take h of r is equal to 1 minus r is equal to k of r. Then here we substitute r is equal to 0, h of 0 is equal to 1 and h of 1 is equal to 0. Let r0 is equal to supremum r such that h of r is equal to 1, then r is less than or equal to r0, h of r0 is equal to 1, max of h of r is equal to 1, then h of r is less than or equal to 1. Here let we take on z0 such that mod of z0 is equal to r0, so mod of f dash z0 is equal to k of r0. So h of r0 which become is equal to 1, h of r0 is equal to 1 minus r0 k r0. So k of r0 is equal to 1 upon 1 minus r0. K of r0 is equal to 1 upon 1 minus r0. There here r0 is less than 1. So mod of f dash z0 is equal to 1 upon 1 minus r0. Now if mod of z minus z0 is less than 1 minus r0 upon 2 is equal to rho 0, then rho 0 greater than z mod of z minus z0 or z0 rho 0 greater than mod of z minus mod of z0, replace it. So z0 plus rho 0 plus z0, substitute the value z0 is equal to r0. So rho 0 plus r0 greater than mod of z, substituting the value of rho 0 1 minus r0 by 2 plus r0 greater than mod of z and solve the above equation. Become 1 by 2 in bracket 1 plus r0 greater than mod of z or mod of z is less than 1 by 2 1 plus r0. Now mod of f dash z is less than or equal to k of r. Here k of r is equal to h of r upon 1 minus r, or we can say that 1 minus r to the power minus 1 h of r, and mod of z is equal to r. is equal to 1 plus r0 by 2. Here we substituting the value of r, k 1 plus r0 upon 2. Here we substituting the value of 1 minus r to the power minus 1 and h of r. मतलब substituting the value of r. So become 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 plus r0 to the power minus 1 h, 1 plus r0 by 2. And solve this property, become the equation less than or equal to 1 minus r0 by 2 to the power minus 1, and that value makes h of r is equal to 1 into 1. So that value is become rho 0 inverse. Hence, mod of f dash z is less than 1 by rho 0. Now, mod of f dash z minus f dash z0 is less than or equal to mod of f dash z plus mod of f dash z0. Here, mod z minus z0 is less than rho 0. So, rho 0 is equal to 1 minus r0 upon 2. 1 minus 1 upon 1 minus r0 is equal to 1 by 2 rho 0. Here we substitute mod of f dash 0 and mod of f dash 0. It become f dash mod of f dash z minus f dash z0 is less than 3 upon 2 rho 0. Let us consider the transformation z is equal to z minus z0 upon rho 0, and we define capital F of z is equal to f dash z minus f dash z0 upon 3 upon 2 rho 0. Then mod of z is equal to mod of z minus z0 upon rho 0, or we can say that here mod of z minus z0 is less than rho 0. So that value is become mod of z minus z0 upon rho 0 is less than 1. So equation 5th, mod of fz is equal to mod of f dash z minus f dash z0 upon 3 by 2 rho 0 is less than 1 by equation 5. It means mod of z is less than 1, mod of fz is less than 1, and f of 0 is equal to 0. By using Schwarz lemma, mod of fz is less than or equal to mod of z. Here we applying this property lemma, mod of f dash z minus f dash z0 upon 3 upon 2 rho 0 is less than or equal to mod of z minus z0 upon rho 0. Then the above equation is less than or equal to 3 by 2 rho 0 mod of z minus z0 upon rho 0. It become less than or equal to rho 0. Further, if S is equal to B of z0 rho 0 by 3, then Z belongs to S implies that mod of Z minus z0 is less than rho 0 by 3. Mod of f dash z minus f dash z0 is less than, substituting these value, 3 into rho 0 by 3 upon 2 rho 0 square is equal to 1 upon 2 rho 0. That value is less than or equal to 1 upon 2 rho 0 is equal to 1 upon 1 minus r0. It means 1 upon 1 minus r0 is equal to f dash z0. We using this result, let fz be analytic in the disk B of OR such that mod of f dash z minus f dash a less than mod of f dash a. For all z belongs to B of OR, z is not equal to a, then f is 1 1. So that property is also 1 1. Now we have to show that fz contains a disk of radius 1 by 72. Now let us define GBN mapping from B of 0 rho 0 3 tends to complex analysis, tends to complex C, complex space. G of z is equal to f of z plus z0 minus f of z0. Then G of 0 is equal to 0. G dash z is equal to f dash z plus z0. Mod of G dash 0 is equal to mod of f dash z0 is equal to 1 upon 1 minus r0 by equation 2. And 1 upon 1 minus r0 is equal to 1 upon 2 rho 0. Also, if z belongs to B of 0, rho 0 by 3 and gamma be the line segment, gamma is equal to z0, z plus z0 lies in S, then SBN subset of that property. Mod of gz is equal to mod of f of z plus z0 minus f z0 is equal to mod of integration of gamma f dash z dz, or gamma integration of gamma f dash z dz. F dash z, the value of f dash z 1 by rho 0 integration of z0 to z plus z0 dz by equation 4, and integrate and substituting these value less than or equal to 1 upon rho 0 mod of z, and mod of z substituting the value 1 less than or equal to 1 of rho 0 by 3. It means mod of gz is less than or equal to 1 by 3. Applying previous lemma, so become our equation g of b of o of rho 0 by 3 is proper superset B of O of r square mu square by 6m, where rho is equal to r square mu square by 6m and mu is equal to mod of g dash 0 is equal to 1 upon 2 rho 0. Mod of g of z is less than or equal to m is less than or equal to 1 by 3, r is equal to rho 0 by 3. So, rho is equal to substituting the value of r square mu square, r square into mu square upon 6 into m. So, rho is equal to 1 by 72. Now, B of f of z0 1 by 72 is equal to w such that mod of w minus f of z0 is less than 1 by 72. Here w is equal to z plus z0. So, f of z plus z0, that value is less than 1 by 72. Here f of z plus z0 is equal to gz plus f of z0 such that mod of gz is less than 1 by 72. Here we see equation 9. So, g of z is equal to g of z is less than 1 by 72 plus f of z0. That value become b of o of rho plus f of z0, b n subset of g of b of 0 rho square by 3 plus f of z0. Or we can say that gz such that mod of z is less than rho 0 by 3 plus f of z0. Or here again we see that z minus z0 such that here we substitute z is equal to z minus z0. Mod z minus z0 is less than rho 0 by 3 plus f of z0. Or again we substitute f of z minus is substituting the value of that f of z minus z0 plus z0 minus f of z0 such that mod of z minus z0 is less than rho 0 by 3 plus f of z0 from equation 9. We can solve it, then become the property f of z such that mod of g minus z minus z0 is less than rho 0 by 3, or f such that mod of z minus z0 is less than rho 0 by 3, or f of b of z0 rho 0 by 3 is equal to f of s. So, b of f of z0 1 by 72 be a subset of f of s. Hence, f of s contains a disk of radius 1 upon 72. Here, यहाँ हमारा ये पहला वीडियो है. इसके अलावा हम दो से अधिक PDF भी अपलोड करने वाले हैं. उसका भी यदि आप लोग अवलोकन करेंगे तो आप लोगों के लिए बहुत सहूलियत होगी. धन्यवाद.